All right. Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive.
Another deep dive.
This one's going to be interesting.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little different because we're starting with a phrase from our listener mailbag.
Cool.
That's kind of vague.
Uh-oh.
And the phrase is fitness gears.
Fitness gears.
Yeah. So I'm not really sure what that means exactly.
Yeah. I mean, without any context.
Right.
That's really interesting, though. I mean, that ambiguity, I think, gives us a lot of different avenues to explore.
Absolutely so.
Because it can mean a whole bunch of different things.
Yeah, we love to turn information into understanding.
Right.
So we're going to try to understand what fitness gears means.
Yeah.
So get ready.
Get those thinking caps on.
Get those thinking caps on.
Come on.
So what do you think? What comes to mind when you hear that phrase?
Well, I think the most obvious one is probably the physical equipment.
Right.
Like the gears you'd see in a gym.
Like the actual gears.
Yeah, the actual gears, the treadmills, the ellipticals, the weights.
Right, like the machines.
The machines, exactly.
Yeah.
But even within that category, I mean, there's so much variety.
Oh, absolutely.
We could talk about the history of fitness equipment. We could talk about the science behind it.
Mm-hmm.
How these things work.
Right.
And there's always new trends coming out. So.
Yeah, we could talk about how people used to exercise.
Yeah.
Like way back in the day.
Oh, yeah.
And how that's evolved.
Like the treadmill. Did you know that was originally a 19th century prison punishment?
Wow. So not so fun.
No, not the
Peloton ad.
Not the Peloton ad, no.
That we see today.
No, not at all. But I think that's what's so fascinating about it.
Yeah.
Is that, even these what seem like very simple tools have these really interesting, rich histories.
Totally.
And,
That's a good point.
I mean, it's,
Yeah.
Fitness gears could also refer to mental strategies.
Oh, the mental.
Yes, so important.
So we've got the physical gears.
Yes.
We've got the mental gears.
Mental gears.
Like a car.
It is like a car.
Yeah, you got to have both.
You got to have all cylinders firing.
To get where you need to go.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, what are some of the mental gears that come to mind for you?
Well, one thing that I was thinking about was visualization.
Yeah.
Like athletes use that all the time.
All the time.
To mentally rehearse.
Right, to rehearse success.
Yeah, and it's not just for athletes.
It's for everybody.
But
for any goal.
Yeah, like
if you want
to write a book.
Write a book.
You can visualize yourself
finishing that book, yeah.
Having the book launch.
Well, yeah, exactly. People finding books.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The New York Times bestseller list.
Yeah, get on that list.
Right. So, okay, that's a good one.
Yeah.
What else?
Well, we could also talk about habit formation.
Oh, yeah.
That's a big one.
That's a really big one.
Building healthy habits is really like setting those gears in motion.
So that they become automatic.
Exactly. So they become automatic. So you don't even have to think about it.
You don't even have to think about it.
Yeah.
That's when you know.
That's when you know.
You made it.
You've made
when it's automatic.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. So
we've got the
physical equipment, the mental strategies.
Yeah. Is there anything else that fitness gears could mean?
Well, this is where it gets interesting.
Okay.
Okay. What if it's a metaphor?
Ooh, I like metaphors.
Metaphors are fun.
Yeah.
So what if it's a metaphor for all the components
okay.
of a healthy lifestyle?
I like where this is going.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So all these different components, all these different gears that have to work together to make the whole thing work.
To make the whole thing work.
Okay. Like what?
Well, nutrition.
Yeah.
That's a crucial gear.
For sure.
Got to provide the fuel for your body.
You got to have the fuel.
Got to have the fuel.
Right. Okay.
Sleep.
Sleep. Also very important.
Very important. That's like hitting the reset button.
Reset, recharge.
Recharge, yeah.
Okay.
And then stress management.
Oh, stress management.
That's like
huge these days.
Yeah. And that's like making sure the gears are well oiled.
They're not grinding.
Yeah.
Running smoothly.
I
like it.
Yeah, it's like a finely tuned machine.
It is.
Every part needs to be working properly for the whole system to thrive.
It's all connected.
It's all connected.
Okay, so we started with just this vague phrase.
Very vague.
Fitness gears.
Fitness gears.
And we've come up with all these possibilities.
A lot of different possibilities.
It could be the physical equipment. It could be mental strategies.
Yeah.
Or it could be like a metaphor for your whole life.
Your whole healthy lifestyle.
Yeah. So it's really up to you.
I guess it depends on the listener and what
Exactly. And what their goals are.
their own life.
Exactly.
Yeah. So I guess what he's saying is
there's no one right answer.
No one right answer.
Yeah. But hopefully this dive has given you a new appreciation for all of those different gears involved in living a healthy and fulfilling life.
And that's what we try to do here.
That's what we do.
At the deep dive, we take these little phrases. And we unpack them. And, maybe we find a whole new meaning.
Yeah, discover something new.
Absolutely. And I think we did that today.
I think so too.
So thanks for joining us on this deep dive into fitness gears.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
As you continue on your own journey, think about the gears in your own life.
Yeah, what are the gears that you need to engage?
To achieve your own version of a fulfilling life.
What gears are running smoothly? What gears need a little tune-up?
A little WD-40.
Right.
Yeah.
Some of those gears might be a little rusty.
They get rusty.
Yeah.
Gotta keep them oiled.
Keep them oiled. Keep them moving.
Yeah,
so thanks again for listening.
And we'll see you next time.
We'll see you on the next deep dive.
For another deep dive.